It's your girl Nina. I'm back with another video. So today I'll be doing a hair video. Actually, I decided I want to cut my hair into a bob because your girl is tired. I started to go natural about 2 years ago, and I'm halfway there. So basically, go big or go home. Hair has always been long for the most part. I want a new look. I'm getting a little older. I want to try something different. Only try bobs with weave, but I love bobs, and everybody loves me with bobs. So I feel like I want to try with my real hair. We're gonna see how this works out because my hair reverts so freaking quickly. It's not even funny. Like, it doesn't even last for 10 hours with being straight. So we'll see how this works. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so y'all, I'm back, and I wasn't comfortable with taking out my braids on camera because my hair has not been done in a while and a lot of new growth, and my braids look really disgusting. So I took them off camera, but this is how my hair looks. I'm brushing it out because my mom's gonna wash it very soon. I'm gonna tell you guys all the products that I use in this video. I'm also gonna leave a link to everything that I have that I'm using in my hair in the description box below, so you guys can buy it if you want to try it out. So yo, I'm looking real crazy right now. I'm looking like somebody's troll, but it's all for the video. It's all for y'all, so I'm willing to do it. But I'll see y'all in a few when my mom's ready to wash my hair. So my mother just told me that she wanted me to come in this closet again and get shampoo. So she wanted me to get the Suave shampoo. Let me see which one she told me. That shampoo is really, really good for cleansing your hair, by the way. So if you want to purchase Suave shampoo, this is really good. It cleans very, very well. It's only $3.99, as you can see. And it's a really big bottle, so it lasts us a while. This is the coconut one. So, I'm gonna record everything else that she does with my hair. Like, I'm probably gonna go under the heating cap, which I'm gonna show you guys. It's not a hair dryer. Well, we have a hair dryer, but sometimes she wants me to go under the heating cap. So I'm gonna go under the heating cap probably today for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. And then, so if you guys wanna see how I wash my hair, 'cause my hair is dirty, y'all. Like, my hair is filthy. Like, it's really embarrassing. Like, that's why I didn't really want to comb my hair on camera. I can't wait to get my scalp clean. It's so itchy. My hair grew so much. I'm excited, but we're gonna cut it today, which is so sad. But yeah. This is the heating cap I was talking about, and you plug it into the wall. You control it like this, and I'm just gonna put it on medium, I think. And I'm gonna put it on for about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna sit and relax. In my heating caps. I'm gonna edit another video. Period, sis. Oh, this feels great. So it's been about 20 minutes, probably 40 minutes. I've been sitting here just chilling on my phone watching videos and stuff. So I'm about to go wash my hair out because I don't need her for this part. I just have to rinse out the conditioner, and then I'll call her so she could blow dry my hair, straighten it, all that, and that'll all be recorded. So let's just go to the sink then. So my hair is washed out or rinsed out. Put it in this little towel so that it can soak up some water. You can blow dry it, straighten it, cut it. now it's all combed out. As you can see, it's very soft. It's gonna be easier to manage when my mom blow dries it. But I want a new look, but I'm so scared. Like, but 2020, we taking risks. Period. I'm excited. Like, okay. Okay, go back. But other than that, I've never cut my hair voluntarily short. So, your girl about to do it today. Oh my god. I'm about to blow dry my hair right now, and but we just gonna go. Is blow dry right now. As you can see, the shrinkage is real because I told y'all my real hair is pretty long. And I'm gonna show you how it looks in the back. Of course, I'm a little sad because my hair has always been a good length, but time to try something new. It's 2020. Let's try something new. I love my hair so much. I love you, sis. But yeah, it's time to get the cutting, time to get the straightening, and period. So this is what I cut off. Oh my gosh, this is my hair. So my mom's gonna straighten it now and see what else she has to cut off. But I think this is probably it. I don't know.
Just gotta do a cleanup after.
A cleanup, yes.
Yeah.
So this is how much she cut off. Cleaned it up when she like straightens it and stuff. But this is how it looks now. It looks very cute. Excited. Excited. So I'm done, y'all. This is how it turned out. This is the cut I have. Very bouncy, very fluffy, very clean. I love this so much. It's so cute. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video in the process. I think I'm gonna just add some edges, like some things to my edges real quick. I love my hair. Like, my mom really just did her thing as usual. I love this cut. It just makes me look a little bit more mature. And I just want to try something different. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit that bell. And if y'all like hair videos, I'll probably bring something to my channel. Just let me know which ones to do in particular, because but your girl's kind of bold now, so I can't do like all these extra styles. But I will try for you guys if you guys do want that. So let me know. Let your girl know. Let your girl know what you want to see. I got y'all, but